Hey, it is the Money Goddess Lamiel, and today I want to talk to you about inquiries on your credit report. So, what is an inquiry? Anything that kind of erodes your credit, right? So, any company that goes and pulls up your report and digs through your history is an inquiry. And there's two types of inquiry. There is a soft pull and there is a hard pull, or a soft inquiry and a hard inquiry. Um, One or two inquiries is not bad at all. Once you have more than two inquiries in like a 30-day period, the inquiries themselves start to tell a story of their own outside of your payment history, your current credit lines, how old your credit lines are. Like those are other things that creditors look at, but the inquiries by themselves will tell their own story, which often is a much more defined and prominent story than everything else. Okay, so after two inquiries, especially a hard inquiry means they pull everything from the time that you got credit till now. They're pulling everything, and you will see those on your credit report. And definitely, you take a hit with a hard inquiry. You lose points on your credit report each and every time. So every time you apply for something, you take a credit hit. Okay, and if they're doing a hard pull, you are definitely going to take a credit hit. Now, you take the credit hit after they've seen your credit. So if your credit is like 730, it may be 728, 725, or whatever after they've taken a look at it. If you've gone to multiple apartments and you applied it for, and they've all done a hard pull, you can expect to be like 20 points lower on average between the three credit bureaus because of it. Um, a soft pull does not decrease the points on your credit score to the same degree, if at all. Okay, and a lot of times the soft pull is this really who they say they are? Does the address match? The last four digits of their social match? Like they don't get all of your history from day one in a soft pull. So that's the difference. But truly having more than two hard inquiries on your report is not good, especially within a 30-day, 60-day time period. So once you've cleared your credit, right? Or while clearing your credit, you need to be very strategic about what you're asking for, what you're applying for, and the types of moves that you're making as it pertains to trying to get credit while you're clearing your credit.